Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Galaxy wearable application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue by opening the app. In the app, you will see the Galaxy Watch 7. And now, scroll down through this page, find the watch settings option and tap on it. And here, find the option called notifications and tap on it. If you don't have required permissions allowed, you will see the pop-ups on the screen. For example, this one, we need to tap on allow. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications, or it could be also called notification access on the older versions of Android. And once you're here on this page, scroll through the list, find the Galaxy Watch 7 Manager, tap on it, tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow. And after you allow the notification access, you can go back to the Galaxy wearable app and you should be able to access the notification page. And here we have a couple of options, as you can see. First one is app notifications. We can tap on it. And here we can turn on and off the notifications for specific apps. We have the phone apps and watch apps, as you can see. And how it works is quite simple. Basically, if you enable the notifications, let's say for Discord, and you receive the notification from Discord on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. And if you disable it, it won't be forwarded to your watch, so you will see it only on your phone. So turn on the notifications for the apps you want, and then go back. Next we have the option show notifications on watch. And here we can select when phone not in use and when phone in use. And basically this is how it works is like if you select the when phone not in use option and you're using your phone, so let's say the screen is turned on your phone and you receive the notification on phone while the screen is turned on, you won't receive the notification on your watch. But if you select the show when phone in use and your screen is turned on your phone and you receive the notification, the notification will pop off on your watch too. So depending on what you like, if you want to see them anyway, if you're using your phone or not, you can select one of the options. I'm gonna select this one because I want to show you later that the notifications are working, so I need to select this one. Next we have mute notifications on phone, and if you turn on this option, the notifications that are going to be forwarded to your watch will be muted on your phone. So let's say I enabled the Discord notifications, I got the message from Discord, that notification will be muted on my phone, but it will appear on the watch. Then we have advanced notification settings, and here we can turn on and off some options like notification indicator, basically the dot on the right side of the watch face. Then we have the read aloud notifications. You can enable Bixby to read your notifications aloud if you like to, and you have read briefly or in detail. Then we have the show with details. If you disable this option, you will see only the name of the app that was the notification, or rather that the notification came from, and the title, I believe. You won't see the content of the notification. And then we have the turn on screen option. If you turn it on, basically when you receive the notifications, the screen will wake up and then auto turn on notifications for new apps. And if you turn on this option and you install some new applications on your phone, it will automatically enable the notifications for those applications if this option is enabled. Okay. And once you're done setting up your notifications, you can close the app and you should be able to receive them. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord because I turned on the notifications for Discord. It should be working. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check our watch, and we didn't get it on our watch for some reason. So let's open the Galaxy wearable application. Check the notifications. we got the notification apparently, but oh, okay. So basically, if we're not wearing our watch, the notifications won't pop up. So if the watch doesn't detect that you're wearing it, you might not see the notification. So if I'm wearing the watch, I think the notification appeared right now. Yeah, okay, that's what was the problem. So for some reason, this watch doesn't receive the notifications if you're not wearing it. And I don't see option to change it. Yeah, there's no such an option. So if you don't see the notifications, it could be because you're not wearing your watch. But if you're wearing it, it should be working. I'm gonna even test it again. So I'm gonna send myself another message on Discord. We got it on our phone. Right now it's not on our watch. I'm gonna place it on our wrist. It automatically pops up, and if you open the notification panel, it is here. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.